Do you remember one of those birthday celebrations you've been to, where you had to cover your head with a birthday cap, eat some ice creams from a cone, etc.? Did you know the birthday cap you placed on your head and that ice cream you ate had a conical shape? Yes, that is for sure. Like every other solid shape, the cone has its unique shape. In this video, we'll be covering them. A cone has a curved surface and a circular base. As shown in the figure of a cone, V is the vertex, base is circular region with center O, and radius OA is equal to R. Here, the line segment VO is perpendicular to the base. This type of cone is called a right circular cone. The length of line segment VO is called the height of the right circular cone and is usually denoted by H. If AOA' is the diameter of the circular base of the cone, then line segment VA and line segment VA' have the same length. This length is called the slant height of the cone and is denoted by L. Thus, VA is equal to VA' is equal to L. We know that curved surface area of a cone is equal to pi RL. As shown, triangle VOA is a right triangle. So, by the Pythagoras theorem, L square is equal to H square plus R square. L is equal to square root of H square plus R square. Therefore, curved surface area is equal to pi R square root of H square plus R square. Total surface area is equal to curved surface area plus area of the circular base is equal to pi RL plus pi R square is equal to pi R in brackets L plus R. Let's summarize. We have learnt the formula of total surface area of cone. Total surface area is equal to curved surface area plus area of the circular base is equal to pi R multiplied by L plus R. In this video, we learnt about cone, one of the solid shapes. Like cone, there are more solid shapes. Is it possible that these shapes share similar characteristics? Before you start thinking very far, watch our upcoming videos to find the answers.
Keep imbibing. We believe in you.